Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disconnect guys headphone to our phone. Guys you have connected guys headphone and guys you want to disconnect to your phone. So guys how can you disconnect in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all guys you will have to click on guys your phone setting to disconnect guys your headphone. So guys, we will on our phone setting, click on guys your more connection setting friends, tap here. Friends you can see your phone Bluetooth setting guys, click here. Then friends you can see guys we have connected guys this P2 BT company headphone guys. We want to disconnect guys, so how to disconnect? Right side guys you can see this setting icon friends, tap here. Friends click on this disconnect option guys. You can see in your Infinix guys, you can see this disconnect option guys, tap here to disconnect. So friends headphone will disconnect to our phone guys. You want to use again guys, you will have to only click here guys, it will connect automatically guys. So like that guys you can disconnect your headphone in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends. Before going please go and like the video guys.